Good day, class. Let's continue our topic models. Today we are together to do exercise number 15.2. So here we are with the exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct option. Here we are having many sentences along with options. We have to choose the correct one. At very first place we see dash I sit in this chair. Options are will, should, can or would. So we see that we are asking for permission in this sentence. So we will go with the model can. Can I sit in this chair? We will use the model can. In second sentence we see dash he come back in the evening. Again we are asking question, but it relates to our future. It is our future prediction. Dash he come back in the evening? So we will go with the model will. Will he come back in the evening? क्या वो शाम तक घर आ जाएगा? Next is I dash fight the election whenever may be the result. Shall, can, could and will. So here we see that in this sentence we are showing our determination. I will fight the election. We will write the model will. I will fight the election whatever may be the result. Next is you dash do your work regularly. So we are giving suggestion, our advice. तुम्हें अपना काम रेगुलरली करना चाहिए. वी विल गो अप विद द मॉडल शुड. यू शुड डू योर वर्क रेगुलरली. नेक्स्ट इज डैश दैट आई वर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. हियर वी आर सीइंग कि वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग अवर इंटेंशन, फ्यूचर इंटेंशन कि काश ऐसा हो जाता. दैट वी आर नॉट श्योर, अवर अनसर्टेन विश. So we will go with the would. Would that I were the prime minister. काश मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता. Next is run fast lest you dash miss the train. Students, it is a rule that whenever you are finding the word lest, you will go with the model should. Lest will always follow the model should. Run fast lest you should miss the train. तेज भागो नहीं तो तुम ट्रेन मिस कर दोगे. Is it okay? With lest you will go up with should. Next is at number 7. She dash be 16 next month. Now it is our future indication कि फ्यूचर में वो नेक्स्ट मंथ इज इंडिकेटिंग अवर फ्यूचर. अगले महीने वो 16 ईयर्स की हो जाएगी. शी विल बी 16 नेक्स्ट मंथ. एट नंबर 8 माई ब्रदर डैश राइट विथ बोथ हैंड्स. मेरा भाई दोनों हाथों से लिख सकता है. वी आर शोइंग द एबिलिटी. Here the ability of the brother is shown. So my brother can write with both hands. At number 9, nobody dash help you in this matter. So we are seeing that we are predicting certain prediction. एक certain prediction हम बता रहे हैं कि इस मामले में आपकी कोई भी मदद नहीं करेगा. So we will go with nobody will help you in this matter. Next is we dash respect the law of our country. हमें अपने देश के कानून की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, लॉ की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. अगेन वी आर गिविंग एडवाइस और सजेशन. वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट द लॉ ऑफ आवर कंट्री. हमें अपने कंट्री के जो कानून नियम है उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. एट नंबर 11 डैश यू अकम्पनी मी टू द स्टेशन. नाउ वी आर ऑफरिंग our company to someone. So we will go with the model will. Here we are seeing that we are offering. Will you accompany me to the station? Next is she dash play on a guitar when she was 8 years old. जब वो 8 साल की थी तो वो गिटार बजा सकती थी. वी आर प्रेजेंटिंग द एबिलिटी ऑफ समवन. पास्ट एबिलिटीज हेयर. शी कुड प्ले ऑन अ गिटार. शी कुड प्ले ऑन अ गिटार. पास्ट एबिलिटीज हेयर. नेक्स्ट इज dash you lift this box, it is heavy. So we are again judging the ability, the possibility. So can you lift this box? क्या तुम इस बॉक्स को उठा सकते हो? इट इज़ हैवी, यह भारी है. आर यू एबल टू लिफ्ट इट अप? क्या आप इसे उठाने में सक्षम हो? नेक्स्ट इज यू डैश वर्क हार्ड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू पास. अगर तुम्हें पास होना है तो तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए. यू शुड वर्क हार्ड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू पास. You are mere giving suggestion here. Your advice is presenting here. At number 15, we dash leave for Chennai tomorrow. We are expressing our simple future. कल हम चेन्नई जाएंगे. We shall leave for Chennai tomorrow. You will go up with the modal shall. Next is don't worry, my servant dash carry your luggage. My servant will carry your luggage. You are offering your servant's service. Next is dash that I were the prince. Again you are predicting future that is uncertain. Would that. काश मैं एक प्रिंस होता means आप उसे सोच रहे हैं. You are predicting. Next is he caught a taxi lest he dash be late for the meeting. He caught a taxi lest he dash be late for the meeting. I told you that with lest you will go up with the modal should. Lest he should. He caught a taxi. उसने एक टैक्सी ली, नहीं तो वो मीटिंग के लिए उसे देर हो जाती. Is it okay? Lest means नहीं तो उसे मीटिंग के लिए देर हो जाती. So he caught up a taxi. I dash suspend you if you come late again. I will suspend you if you come late again. Next is Sunday dash be a holiday. We all know that Sunday is a holiday. It is our future action, and certain future action is predicting here, is explaining here. Sunday will be a holiday. I hope, my dears, that exercise number 15.2 is quite clear to you. I want you to go do the exercise by your own and get a good practice of it. Thank you, class. Good.